Welcome back everyone. Today I will unbox and show you a quick demo of a very useful gadget. This is a wireless streamer and a preamp combo. It comes in a sturdy and rigid box. No damages are on the box that I received. I will have to use a large knife to get into this box. Let's see what's inside. The manual is at the top of everything. Very thoughtful from Arylic. Looks like the manual has some pictures in it. I might even read it, but now I will put it aside. Let's take the device out from the box and see what comes with the device. Some RCA plugs. They do not feel like the best in the market, but you can always buy new ones. A 3.5mm to RCA wire. Micro USB cable for the power adapter. The adapter itself. Two antennas, one must be for wireless and the other one for Bluetooth. And here is the remote. It's nicely packaged, by the way, and double wrapped. There are no batteries inside, but that's okay. The buttons on it feel nice, very nice feedback, and the clicking sound is pleasant. Now, the main thing. It was tightly packaged. Feels very sturdy in hands and quite heavy. Metallic housing feels cold to the touch and quality seems very good. Well, and then my assistant interrupted me. Well, looks like she will help me to do this. Okay, let's proceed. Please ignore the cat's tail. Now I will remove the protective film from the front, and now we have a shiny front. Here is the power adapter. Looks like an Apple charger, but in a black color. And I almost forgot to remove the tape from the sticky rubber feet, which hold the preamp on the table. It is good to have them, so the wires do not drag it around on the table. Let's unwrap the micro USB cable. Well, in my hands it does feel a bit cheap. I will connect it to the streamer itself. When you insert it, it feels tight in its space and it does not wiggle. Now I will screw in both of the antennas for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Also, I will unwrap and connect the RCA cable. I will use it to connect the streamer to my power amplifier. The connectors feel a bit plasticky, but as I said, you can always buy new ones. And there is also a reset button, maybe for occasions when everything goes terribly wrong. Now I'll connect the preamplifier to my power amp. When you plug the power in for the preamplifier, it goes straight to the pairing mode and green light blinks rapidly. Now I will turn on the amplifier to hear all the pairing sounds and beeping noises. While I was turning on the amp, the streamer already went out of the pairing mode, and I had to open up the manual to see how to pair it with my devices. The manual was a great help. It includes all the information needed and includes pictures. To start using the app, you have to first download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. All further steps are written in the app itself. When you have connected the streamer via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, it gives you full functionality of the app. I will be using Spotify, but the app supports all of the popular music services. When you choose a song, you will notice a new icon that says Devices Available. Select Sound System and you will be connected to the Spotify. Now you have connected your Spotify to the Arylic streamer and can control it from your phone. You can change tracks, change volume and all other media related controls. You can also use your remote control. For me, the best used scenario is by connecting my laptop via Bluetooth and use FullBar. This way I can listen to my FLAC collection and use the remote control to change tracks or my audio settings. I hope this was helpful and you like this streamer. More information you can find in the description. As always, like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when the next video comes out. And don't forget to comment to give us your thoughts and suggestions what to test in the next video. See ya!